Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is from Seventour, and this is a 6-camera security camera monitoring system for your rig, whether it be an RV, your trailer. You can even put this in your car. You have this nice, beautiful display here that is touchscreen, and it's going to offer you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I've had a lot of these systems, and this one here has been by far one of the most responsive systems that I have seen. You can see here, you do get your 6 cameras. Now, I don't have all 6 cameras set up. I am going to get this installed in my rig, and I'm going to do it properly as I want to get all 6 cameras spaced evenly around the rig here. But you can see me talking here live on camera. The quality is 1080p. You're going to get a ton of accessories to get everything installed properly. Everything is packaged well. You're going to get some side mounts too as well, which I'll be using. So this would be like your left and right side. So you can get those blind sides. And then again, you get lots of cable to get across your rig. You got 15 meters. You get this one here is 10 meters. And then tons of cables. You have an antenna too as well, because this does have that capability of launching antenna. And then you can see here how quick the responses are with the touch, volume up and down. And you can control your phone, right? Here's CarPlay. I have my phone connected. As you can see here, we can go back. We can click on our cameras, so I'm monitoring. I can click on the screen here and get full picture of that display. So if you're backing up, you can just choose that one. And let's go ahead and see what that looks like full screen here, right? And you can see it's front, but you can get these wired correctly where it's front, back, left, right, and monitored that way, which is really nice. So if I go back, and again, this is running Android Auto. So you can see here, you have the Play Store with Google. You can slide down. You can get this connected to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi too as well. So if you have Wi-Fi in the rig, I have Wi-Fi here in the house. I can go ahead and get that connected. This is overall an awesome display, awesome touchscreen, monitoring, plus giving you the capability of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto while you're driving down the road. This is going to be my main system once I get everything installed. But I love how just responsive it is. Like I need to see, so here's your back, right, with your backup lanes. So I can get that camera connected there, make sure, everything is wired and labeled nicely. As you can see here, everything has a proper label. So right view. And so you would just choose the back one to get that back camera installed there. So I'm going to take my time to get everything installed for this, because this is such a sweet system so far. Everything's metal, nothing's plastic. So all the build quality is great. You can watch videos you can see they already have something on here programmed in. Now you do have an SD card, and you can plug in through USB on this side here, pop in that SD card. And then also there's a USB-A outlet. This is where your antenna is going to go for GPS. So if you need a GPS on the unit, you could do that too as well. And then you have your power button, home button, back button, and then your volume button. And you can see here, it's pretty responsive with the touch, and the quality is great. I mean, look at that. This is for 1080p. It's great quality. And so we go back home, and yeah, you have apps. You can see here, the sliding is nice. Different apps, gallery, you're monitoring Bluetooth music, file manager, FM radio too as well. That's where the antenna will come in. And yeah, there's volume too. I don't know if we can get a channel. I don't have the antenna hooked up. But yeah, I overall like this. Huge shout out to Seventour for gifting me this so I can do a review. I'll do a second review coming up shortly with it fully installed on my rig. So stay tuned for that. But big thumbs up here. Highly recommend this for a monitoring system for your RV, for your trailer, or your car or truck. This can do it all, because you do get 6 cameras. So you can see 360 all around, which is a nice security feature. So definitely a really cool display. Check it out.